What's up everybody, my name is Brian. Welcome back to my channel. Of course, today is tutorial day. I'm gonna be teaching you the choreography that I made to the song of Little Mix called Bounce Back. Okay, so let's go to the studio and start. Alright guys, let's start. So we're gonna walk to your right. Step sexy. 1, 2. Then pull yourself. 3 and 4. Go 5, cross 6. Down on 7 and 8. Copy? One more time. 5, 6, 7 and walk. 1, 2, chest, 3 and 4, head, 5, cross 6, down on 7 and 8. Good job. Next, you're gonna close on 1. So from here, while going up, you're gonna turn to the back. 1, 2. Open on 3. Pop your puppet to the back. 4. Like 4. Yes. Copy? Let's try one more time. So 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2. Open on 3. Pop on 4. You're gonna go to the center chest. 5, 6. Hips on 7 and 8. Okay? You're gonna need to make sure you're sitting low. Hips and hips. Okay, let's combine first and second eight. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5. Cross 6. Down on 7 and 8. Close. 1, 2. Open on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. All right, next from here. So make sure you really go lower for this so they can emphasize your hips. You cannot just like that. You go low, look at it and look at it. All right, this is 7, 8. You're gonna step your right to the front. 1, click on 2. Shoulder drop 3 and lift on 4. So you're gonna use your left. 6, 7, 7, 7 and 8. Drop 1, 2, shoulder, left, right, 3 and 4. Then point 5, 6. All right. Then here on 7, lift on 8, like 8. So make sure this one you releve up. 8. Then like. All right. Let's try again. 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2. 3 and 4, 5, 6, hair, flip. Let's try from the beginning. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 4. Away. 6, hair, flip. Good job. So next, girls. So from here, 7 and 8. So you're gonna go step 1, 2. Step your right, left. Goes like that. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Open on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Copy? Alright, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Roger? Let's start from the beginning. From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, chest, 4 away, 6, 7, 8, in, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, away, 6, here, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, up, 7, 8. So you're gonna open your right, drop, 1, 2, and stop. This is 3 times. Open, 7, 8, then open, 1, 2, 3. Change, 1. Let's try to put the count here. It's a little bit confusing. 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Push on 6. 6, push, step back 7, lift on 8. Yes. You got it? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roger? Let's finish this part. You're gonna walk slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Copy? Let's try again. So too slow, too quick. One more time. 6, 7, and 8. Slow. 1, 2, 3, fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hit on 2. And turn back. Little turn. Let's turn back. Got it? One more time. Let's start from 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Walk fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hit. Back. Yes. Let's combine. From the here. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Now from the beginning. You need to move. From the beginning. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Perfect. Good job. Okay, let's go on. So from here, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, walk your right, 1 up. 5, 6, dip on 7, open on 8, not on 1. Continue. 2, wait on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chest, shoulder, up, 7, 8. Got it? One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Away on 7, 8. Alright, now we do for all of it from the beginning. Smile. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close. 1, 2, start. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, click. 3, 4, away. 6, here. Flip. 1, 2, 3, open. 5, on 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slow. 2, 3, 5. 5, 6, 7. Head. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4. Away, away. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like on our videos. Okay, and if you like this kind of video, you can just go to my channel, go to the playlist, and you can see a bunch of tutorials there. Also have blog, dance, contemporary, hip-hop, a lot. So see you next time. Bye bye.